Hello guys, welcome back to Just Simple Meal. And guys, as you can see, today we are doing something simple and we are making a milkshake. We only need one mango, we have 2 bananas, and we have a glass of milk. Guys, we are making a smoothie, homemade, the simplest way. Yeah. And guys, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Those who haven't subscribed, go there, share, like, comment. Yes guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel that we can grow together. Yeah. On to our first step guys, we'll peel our mango like this. You can see the way I'm peeling. We peel our mango guys, homemade milkshake. Remember guys, kindly go there to my YouTube channel, Just Simple Meal, like, share, leave a comment that we can grow together. And guys, as you can see, we have done peeling our mangoes. Then we'll cut into pieces. You only need one mango, it's enough. Cut into pieces. Guys, as you can see, we have peeled our mango. It's here, it's like that. So we put it in our blender like that. Now guys, we are on our bananas. We peeled them normally. Cut into pieces. Peel the other one. Cut. We add our milk. Like that. We blend it. Guys, our milkshake is ready. Have a look. You can see our milkshake is ready. Homemade milkshake. We only need 2 bananas, 1 mango, and a glass of milk. You're ready to go. Yeah, guys. Guys, we are serving our milkshake. There you have it. Very simple. Anyone can do it at home, and you can have your milkshake. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Thank you for your time. And to those who haven't subscribed, please, guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel so that I can continue giving you more of this. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. Just simple meals.